Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to an exceptional event that brings together musicians of all levels, the Targhee Music Camp. Set in the beautiful Grand Targhee Resort in Alta, Wyoming, the Targhee Music Camp offers a unique opportunity for music enthusiasts to learn, play, and connect in a stunning mountain setting. This camp is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their musical skills while enjoying the great outdoors. The Targhee Music Camp, established in 2005, has grown into a beloved annual gathering for musicians from all over. The camp provides a range of workshops and classes taught by experienced instructors who are also celebrated performers. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, there's something for everyone at Targhee Music Camp. Past instructors have included renowned artists such as Mike Marshall, Tony Trischka, and Missy Raines. These talented musicians share their expertise in various instruments and styles, including bluegrass, folk, and Americana. Participants can expect to improve their skills, gain new insights, and be inspired by these accomplished teachers. The camp offers workshops in guitar, banjo, fiddle, mandolin, bass, and vocals. In addition to instrument-specific classes, there are also sessions on songwriting, music theory, and ensemble playing. This diverse curriculum ensures that every participant can find classes that match their interests and skill level. Beyond the workshops, the Targhee Music Camp fosters a sense of community among its participants. Evening jam sessions, group performances, and social activities provide ample opportunities to connect with fellow musicians, make new friends, and enjoy the camaraderie of a shared musical passion. The camp is held at Grand Targhee Resort, a location known for its stunning views and excellent amenities. Participants can take advantage of the resort's facilities, including comfortable lodging, dining options, and outdoor activities like hiking and mountain biking. The breathtaking mountain scenery adds a special touch to the whole experience, making it not just a music camp, but a memorable retreat. If you're looking for an event that combines high-quality music instruction, a supportive community, and the natural beauty of the mountains, the Targhee Music Camp is the place to be. For more details and camp dates, be sure to check out the official website. Keep in mind this platform is all about creating positive festival experiences, so if you're a seasoned festival goer with insider tips for the upcoming festival, please share them in the comments. By sharing information and tips, we all can create a fantastic festival experience for everyone. Be sure to like, share, follow, and subscribe to Pro Festival Finder so we can help you ditch the FOMO and find your festival mojo. Let's make the world a better place, one festival at a time. Thanks for being part of the Pro Festival Finder community.